Now this might be a mistake that I'm calling you this late, but these dreams I have of you ain't real enough.
Started bringing up the past, how good things you love don't last, even though this isn't fair for both of us.
Ooh, maybe I'm just a fool. I still belong with you, anywhere you are. Ooh, these minefields that I walk through. Ooh, what I risk to be close to you. Ooh, these minefields keeping me from you. What I risk to be close to you, close to you. I didn't notice what I lost until all the lights were off, and not knowing what you're up to tortured me.
Now this might be a mistake, we're broken in so many ways, but I piece us back together slowly. Ooh, maybe I'm just a fool. I still belong with you, anywhere you are.
Ooh, these minefields that I walk through. Ooh, what I risk to be close to you. Ooh, these minefields keeping me from you. What I risk to be close to you, close to you. Now this might be a mistake that I'm calling you this late, but these dreams I have of you ain't real enough.
Still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Just pray to a God that I don't believe it, 'cause I got time while she's got freedom. 'Cause when the heart breaks, no, it don't break either. Her best days will be some of my worst. She finally found a man that's gonna put her first. Well, I'm wide awake, she's no trouble sleeping. 'Cause when the heart breaks, it don't break even no. What am I supposed to do when the best part of me was always you? What am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces, yeah, I'm falling to pieces. They say bad things happen for a reason, but no wise words gonna stop the bleeding. 'Cause she's moved on while I'm still grieving. When the heart breaks, no, it don't break even no. What am I supposed to do when the best part of me was always you? What am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces, yeah, I'm falling to pieces, no, I'm falling to pieces, yeah, I'm falling to pieces.